Hello, and welcome to Ucraft Next tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you through your Ucraft project dashboard and introduce the basics of how to best manage your business online. The dashboard gives you overall insight on your sales, orders, and abandoned checkouts, and lets you access and monitor your project data all in one place. Get quick access to your account, notifications, and projects from the top bar. On the left panel, you'll find all the orders placed on your website, including the abandoned checkouts. Add and manage your products and categories. Create new attributes and product families in the Products section. Create and manage your collection items, such as blog posts, catalogs, etc. Moderate your customers and customer groups, as well as keep an eye on your reviews. Track your conversions, acquisitions, audience, and much more in the Analytics section to improve your business. Engage your customers by creating automatic discounts or sale coupons. Monitor the activity of your team from the Activities log tab. Enter essential credentials about your business in the Settings section. Fill in the missing information about your business, connect payment and shipping methods, link your custom domain, and more. Once you're done with the setup, move the Visual Editor to start designing your website, or switch to the Content Editor to make quick changes to the content. Browse the public view of your project by clicking on the website. That's it! We've covered your project dashboard today. Make sure to check out the rest of our videos for a bigger view of Ucraft Next and the opportunities available. Questions? We're just a click away, 24/7.